Look how big this bottle is.
Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today. I am doing an unboxing that I didn't even know existed, okay? There is a monthly subscription box that is out from Cocotique, and this is specifically designed for African American women, and look, I will have all the information down below in the description box. I'll have any information on the screen that you guys need to know. I am excited. I have been trying to hold out from opening up this box. So guys, let me go ahead and get into it. So here's the thing. I have the box here. However, I was surprised. I thought that it was going to come in a box, but actually it came with this free reusable bag, which I thought was so cute. So this is the bag here. Get it all in there. And this bag says, channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair, Cocotique and Innate Hair Care Collection. Hashtag love yourself. So yeah, I thought that was a really, really nice bag. And like I said, I've been tempted trying not to go through this bag. Let me get my little table to the side so I can see what is inside of here. Okay, so the first one here is an instant hydrating conditioner, something I was in need of. And guys, look how big this bottle is. My goodness. No wonder they have it in a bag. It couldn't fit in a box. But this is infused with minerals with rich Hawaiian deep sea water, bamboo, and coconut oil, scented with lemongrass. Why does it sound like that smells so good? Oh, it does smell good. Oh, it smells really good. I wonder what color it is. Oh, okay. You guys can see it there. Oh, it smells amazing. This is a 12 full-ounce bottle. So they also have from Innate Hair Care Collection, there is an anti-frizz straightening cream. And this is also infused with all of the different ingredients that I mentioned in the last product. And once again, a big bottle. This here is 8 full ounces from Innate Hair Care Collection. There is an anti-frizz straightening cream. And this is also infused with all of the different ingredients that I mentioned in the last product. And once again, a big bottle. This here is 8 full ounces. And I have some here from Reshma. This is a Reshma Honey and Lemon Purifying and Healing Mask. This is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Look how huge this is. Let's see. Oh, that smells good too. Yeah, a very, very strong scent of honey and lemon. And when you squeeze it out, I'll show you. See that? It's like the color yellow. But it smells so good. I'm going to give this a try. I might even do a product review on this. It just depends. So this next one here is also from After Spa. And this is the Mini Jade Facial Roller. You guys can see that. It is the color green. It has a little weight to it. Okay. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And pretty smooth. It's actually cool right now and it feels really good. It is so hot, especially under these lights. Whew. So this item here, it says that it is new, and this is from a company, I love this name, that is called Twisted Sister. So Twisted Sister has a luxurious clarifying shampoo with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. So this is supposed to cleanse, hydrate, and nourish. Oh my goodness. Look how big this bottle is. Oh, everything in here smells good. My goodness. But yeah, this is 12 full ounces, and I love the little, look at that. Look at the front of it. How cute is that? So this is another Innate Hair Care collection. This is Fixed Fold Hair Mist, and it is infused with all of the different ingredients that I named before, like the deep sea water, the bamboo, the coconut. It basically smells the same, and this is supposed to keep your curls tight, and it also is supposed to shine your hair as well. Oh yeah, it smells good. Oh, that smells so good. My goodness. And let's see, the next one that I have here is an anti-frizz texture cream. So this is also from Innate, and of course it is enriched with the same ingredients because of course they're all from the same line. And oh, it looks like I have two more products here. This next one here is from Professional Kiss New York. This is the Pro Touch Glow and Bronze Cream. So this is a glow and bronze cream for face and body. So this is a volumizing waterproof mascara, perfect, right on time, something I needed. So this is in the color black. I'm trying to get it open. So cute. My son is sitting there watching me. He's being such a big boy. But yeah, this is in the color black. This is volumizing mascara, and this is by Kiss as well. But yeah, let me show you guys what the brush looks like. Wow, that's a big brush. My goodness. That is a big brush. But yeah, nice size, loving it. So this time around, it looks to be the last item. And this is Underguard Refresh, and this is perfect for active men as well as teenagers. This is that product from Underguard. This is a masculine hygiene product, and it is used for both active men as well as teens. So this is a whole full line that they have here, and this is the one that they sent. I actually don't want to open this up because I don't want it to dry out. I'm actually going to let my boyfriend test this out and see if he likes it. My honest review. First of all, I love the idea of having a monthly subscription box specifically designed for us Black women. I feel like this is something special, and this is a great thing that I would honestly love to gift this to other people. Have all of these full-size products not only for your face but for your hair, and that is a really, really big plus. I don't like when I receive a monthly subscription box and they have so many products from one particular company. I like variety. That is the reason why I'm choosing a subscription box, so that I can have so many different things to choose from. Because if I'm only going to receive that, then it's going to make me fearful about what's going to come in the next box. And if that comes into the next box and I'm having so many of the same products, then I might just have to cancel it. But overall, I think that this is a great box. I think it is an amazing price for all of the items that you receive in it. And I would like to try this out again. And I'm actually thinking about trying this out again. So if you guys are interested in seeing next month's box, then guys, comment down below, like and share this video, and let's talk back and forth about the different products you hope to see in a future box. Well guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye!